Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Jaya and through my channel I give simple and easy tips to organize your homes. In today's video we are going to see how to fold our jeans. Yes, simple ways of folding our jeans. In this video I have even shown which type of fold is suitable for which type of storing. So friends, without wasting our time, let's get started. As we know that we all fold our clothes in the air because of less of time, and it is convenient, it's quick. But if you are someone who is really wanting a good fold and so you can use a flat surface to fold your clothes. So now first we lay our jeans flat on the surface and the front side facing upwards. Now you fold it into half. Okay, now hold the bottom side and you fold it, you bring it towards the waistline to form a rectangle. Now we can fold this excess part inside. You can see this. If you want, you can fold it inside and now fold it again. So this is one of the way of folding your jeans. So now let's see another variation in this that you can do is, so it's the same thing so in this again you lay the jeans flat on the surface, fold it into half. Now what we do is we bring the bottom part and fold it into 3/4. Okay, just fold this here and you flip this over to the waist side. Here this is one of the way of folding our jeans. So in this method we lay the jeans flat on the surface, the front side facing up, and now you hold one leg from the bottom and you bring it towards the waist, fold it into half. You repeat the same thing on the other side. Okay, fold the both legs into half till the waist. Now you hold the left side of the jeans and flip it over to the right side, and now hold the bottom side of the jeans and fold it again to the half. So this fold is ready. So this fold is useful if you're going to stack your jeans on top of each other. Now in this method again you lay your jeans flat on the surface, front side facing up, then fold the legs half. Now hold the bottom of the jeans and fold it halfway towards the waist. Yes. Now we have to fold this part into 2 folds. Okay, so one will be this and you again fold it to half, and this is one of the way of folding your jeans. So if your fold is right, your jeans will stand vertically on the surface. Okay, so this method is very useful if you are going to store your jeans in vertical way. So if you're going to use baskets or drawers to store your jeans vertically, then this method is very useful. So you can follow this method for vertical placement of your jeans. Yes, so in this method you lay your jeans straight flat on the surface, the front side facing up. Now what we do is fold the jeans from the top. So let me button this up. Yeah, now you fold it from the waist down like this. Okay, so this is how you fold it from the waist side. We should be able to have this fold about 4 inches. So you can have this fold. Yes. Now we flip this side over to the other side. Right? Now what we do is we start rolling the jeans from the bottom up towards the waist. You start rolling. Make sure your roll is firm. You start rolling it up towards the waist. Yes. So now once you come up towards the waist, you flip this, the fold that we had done in the beginning, you flip it over the roll. In short, we have to tuck the roll inside this flip. And here we are. The roll is ready. So this method is very useful for travelers to save space. And if you're someone who is, loves trekking, then this method, you can use this method to store your jeans. So in today's video, we saw how to fold our jeans in different ways. Yes, so you can choose whichever method suits the best for you and follow it. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have liked my video, please do not forget to click on the like button, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this every Saturday. Thank you.